Hello and welcome to this webinar we are hosting about good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for joining us today. I hope you are as excited as I am because what we are about to dive into could truly be life changing for your career. And we are here to talk about AI for developers and not just the buzzwords but real skills, real opportunities, and real transformation. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the first thing which I can do is going to be give you a little bit introduction about AI and ML. So let's be honest, okay? Like artificial intelligence is not just something out of a scientific movie anymore. It's here. It's real and it's running the world around us right now. Whether it's recommending you your next Netflix show, optimizing traffic lights, or even assisting doctors in surgeries, AI and machine learning are not just technologies, they are becoming the new language of business and innovation. Businesses today are using AI to make smarter decisions, serve customers better, automate their work, and even predict the future as well. And guess what? Companies need smart people like you who understand how to work with AI because it will save a lots of time, it will give you consistency, it will give you accurate answer as well. So this is the basic introduction I can give you about AI. Now, growth of AI related jobs. Now, and that maybe rephrases like why AI skills are in huge demand or more so now if you're thinking, is this really a good career move for me? Let me give you some numbers. AI related jobs are growing at a craze of 37% year over year. Okay. Almost every industry, finance, healthcare, retail, you name it, is hunting for people who understand AI and machine learning. So for you, it's learning that is going to be really good. You don't need to be a scientist right away. You just need the right foundation to get started. And that's exactly what we are offering through this program. The demand for professionals skilled in AI and machine learning is surging, with AI related job witnessing a remarkable growth rate of 37%. And that's a huge number, okay? So for that, you don't need to wait that I can start because that's the right time, that's the right program. You can go ahead and take this. Application across industries all over the world, AI is going to be on the top right now, like in healthcare, retail, technology, finance. Like AI algorithms are used for fraud detection and risk management too. In healthcare, they assist in diagnostic and personalized treatment plans. In retail, AI enhances inventory and management and customer service too. So this vast application underscore the need of developers to understand and master these technologies. Now, what will be the target audience that will be? So the target audience, I can say like who should attend. So this masterclass is not only for seasoned software developer, it's for anyone with a curiosity about the future of technology. And are you a recent graduate looking to break into tech? Are you a professional from non-IT background who feels excited but a little intimidated by AI? Or are you a developer wanting to upgrade your skills? So you all are at the right place. Regarding the course details, what you will get from this program, I can say that our training runs for 6 weeks and it's designed to fit into your busy life. You will experience a mix of live sessions where you interact with trainer, instructors, ask questions, get guidance, and self-paced module where you can learn at your own speed. And we don't stop at theory. You will all get hands dirty with real world projects like building AI solution for finance, healthcare, and e-commerce sector. So imagine being able to say on your resume, build an AI powered project that mimics real world industry application. That's the real confidence booster, I can say. And you will get the certification of completion and some placement support from us as well. And when you complete the program, you will earn a certification that's employers recognize. But that's not at all. We will support you with job boards access, resume polishing, workshops, and even mock interviews to prepare you for the real world job market. Okay. Now, unique aspects, so you can say why our program is different. So what makes this program truly special is you're not learning from just anyone. You will be guiding by, you can say guided by industry professionals, people who are actually working on cutting edge AI projects every day. You are going to trained by them. That going to be industry professionals, and that will be your instructor. So their experience, their guidance, all the things you are getting with this program. Now, they bring you the real deal, not textbook example. They are going to be teach you theory as well as all the things in a very practical manner so that you can understand in a more better format. So you can apply in your resume, or you can write more clearly in your resume. So that will be really helpful. Real life application and mentorship, I can say. So the curriculum emphasizes real life application of AI and ML, ensuring that participants not only learn theoretical concepts but also understand how to implement them in practical scenarios, which I just told you earlier. Theory you will get, theory you can get from anywhere, from Google or somewhere else, but real world, how to work on these things, learning is something which can be done from anywhere, but implementing all the things, execution, that is the real difficulty phase which you need to understand how you can do that. So with the help of the guidance, with the help of industry experts, you are going to learn these things. Mentorship from industry experts offer additional guidance and support throughout the course. So that's throughout the course. So that's not going to be hands-on experience with tools. Now the enrollment process. The simple enrollment process is very simple. If you are ready to take the next step, the enrollment process is super simple. Like just fill out the registration form on our website, and you will be all set. You will even get the attended and orientation before classes begin, where we will introduce you to the trainer, explain the course structure, and show you how to access all your materials. And yes, if you act quickly, you might even grab an early bird discount too. We have the that discount. So if you want to get discount, just let us know and we will give you more and more discount because you are the one who comes early to us. And we want you can take this benefit as much as you can. Now, to sum it up, this AI for Developer Masterclass could be the launch pad if you have been waiting for a chance to learn, to grow, and to future proof your career. Don't wait for the perfect time. I can say the perfect time is right now. Take that step, invest in yourself, and let's build an amazing future together. We are here to support you at every stage. Thank you once again for being part of today this webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or write in the comment box, and we will definitely answer you. And just let us know, and our team will contact you as soon as possible. Our number is 802 which is in the screen, and we will put this into the description as well. Our contact details, like our email is training@infotech-solutions.com. So you can email us, you can call us anytime. We are going to help you. We are going to assist you throughout the step. All right. So if you're ready to enroll, don't wait too long because seats are filling up fast. So let us know. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.